Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll explain the verb come in Arabic. Come is an order. When we call someone to come, we'll say ta'ala, ta, and extension like ta'a, la. And this ya, ta'ala, this ya, since it doesn't have two dots down, so it is ya, we call it as a. So ta'ala, you have to remove these two dots. This ya, we will call it as a. So ta'ala. If we put two dots, it will be ta'ali. And this is when you call a female, like ta'ali, like come, you are calling a female, ta'ali, or calling a male, ta'ala. Okay? But the difference between these two ya is important, because if we put two dots, it will be ya with as broken ya. If we didn't put two dots, it will be as a, ta'ala. Okay, so come is ta'ala, ta, and express sign by 3, ta'ala, ta'ala. Okay. In the past, it will be, as we are saying, came, he came, came is ja'a, ja, extension, and hamza down here, so it will be ja'a, ja'a, he came, ja, and hamza, ja'a, ja'a, ja'a is came, he came. For female, we will add the T letter, which express female in Arabic usually. So we'll add T at the end, ta. Ja'at, ja'at, like. Ja'at, ja'at, she came, or it came for something non-human. It came. Ja'at, ja'at. So now is the time for something. So ja'at sa'atu, ja'at sa'atu, ja'at. So come and came, and the present of that, the present time, is ya'ti. Okay, so the present from he is coming, for example, is coming. Ya'ti, coming, is ya'ti, ya. And the hamza will be on the a. Ya'ti, ya'ti, ya. Ya'ti is he's coming, and also can be from verb ja'a, like yaji, yaji. But let's take ya'ti is more easy for you. Ya'ti, ya'ti. And the past from ya'ti is ata, ata, ata. Ata is came, came in the past also. So ja'a or ata. Okay, that's for today verb. Thank you for watching. You follow up for more.